Block. Good. Good. Fast. Fast back now. Fast back. Faster. Faster. Faster.
Come on, Andy.
Faster. You got good speed now. Faster now. Come on. You gotta speed it up. Use your fucking legs. Don't lean back that far. Pull. Now pull yourself back up right now. Pull yourself back up. Pull. Don't lean bend like that. Keep back straighter. Pull yourself back up. Pull. Come on. Quarter squat. Quarter squat grab. Let's go. Quarter squat. Don't get too deep in. Get too deep in on this thing. Let's go. Finish the fucking pull. Bro, no, you can't do it like that. Get your hands together, bro.